Ako si Ralph,
At kami ang Team
Team Rawi, and we present to you A Brighter Future.
So, quick background lang po kung bakit ito yung napili naming charity. Kasi kami ni Ralph ay malaking believer ng education. Naniniwala kami na isa to sa dapat pagtuunan ng pansin, mapabata man o matanda. And isa to sa pinakamalaking bagay na gusto nating makamit, gusto nating matapos. Pag tinatanong ako ng mga kaibigan ko, mom ko, para saan ba yung pagtatrabaho ko? Lagi ko sagot dyan, family, para sa akin. And gusto ko magpatayo ng mga school. And gusto ko makatulong sa mga inabandona, sa mga pets, and all. Lahat gusto ko gawin.
This was also a religious organization that helps out thousands of students every year. And also very close to home for us since this is also based in Cavite. And ayun nga, so we also have the cross in the center of everything because in God we can do all things and God has always been the center of our lives as well. So whatever happens, we bring it and give it all for Him. So again, this is a road with books forming a cross. We bring it and give it all for Him. So again, this is a road with books forming a cross, which symbolize also na strip away everything from us, strip away all the material things, strip away our situations sa buhay. Ang hindi mo lang talaga matatanggal ay yun nandito, at yun nandun. Thank you. So please join us in building a better future, a brighter future
Brighter future.
para sa kabataang Pilipino.
That's great. Thank you. Thanks so much. Wow, guys.